Alex Stivalletti from Detroit Speed. I'm here with Matt Hay from our machine shop, Austin Moore and Michael Neighbors. They work in the body shop here at Detroit Speed. And today we want to talk to you about the Builder's Choice trophies for Columbus this year. Goodguys reached out to us since we won Street Machine last year with Tux. They chose Kyle Tucker to give out the Builder's Choice Awards. So we wanted to make a trophy that was a little different, something people will be proud of. Why did we choose gas pumps? You know, things like that. What was the purpose behind it?
Well, last year we did a billet wheel and tire assembly, so we kind of had to up the ante a little bit this year, and it was a long conversation, but this is kind of what we landed on.
Yeah,
because those are all billet aluminum. Also, they're a nice heavy trophy, so I think somebody would be tickled to receive something like that. And
yeah,
you know, of course, Austin's a big gas pump man anyway, so it worked out good for us.
yeah.
I do a lot of pumps on the side, just kind of a hobby I have after work. And we wanted to make that pretty much just like a scale model of a real pump. That's a Wayne 60. I mean, it's got the handle we 3D printed off of an actual gas pump handle, made a scale of that. I mean, it's the faceplates, the globe. I mean, it's all there.
So like we said, these things they're billet aluminum. They got some weight to them. They're nice and heavy. Really cool trophy. And I know these guys have a ton of time in them. I know it took me a handful of hours just making these decals here. Me and Austin met a few times, and he wanted to look exactly like these gas pumps did. What year are they from?
They started building that pump in 1936 and ran it to the mid 40s.
So they had this cool upper plate that has this like stamped aluminum design on it. So we kind of just mimicked that design and put the Goodguys logo on it. And we wanted to make it look like it was just a gas pump. So, you know, all that text hidden in there, you almost wouldn't know unless you're kind of looking at it. It's a subtle detail. And just the paint, you know, we wanted to do all the popular brands of that era. So, I mean, how much time do you guys have in painting these?
We probably, roughly each one of them, we probably have somewhere around 5 or 6 hours a piece in them, something like that. Just a bunch of multiple colors, but it was just something that we wanted to do a little different.
I don't know, between doing decals and paint, there's a lot of time, but I mean, machining these, Matt.
Yeah, machining was probably about 10 hours, all told, so it's quite a lot of work.
How many operations were on it? Like,
The base is 2 ops, and then the pump itself was four different operations. So
it's crazy, pretty neat. So,
everybody likes gas pumps.
yeah, exactly.
Everybody likes a gas pump. Yeah.
So, yeah, we're excited about them. We figured you guys would be excited about them too. So, if you're going out to PPG Nationals in Columbus, make sure you check them out.
Congratulations to all the winners too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
definitely.
Yes.
Yeah, they'll be pretty happy about
Oh
it.
yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Let's get back to work.